Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt so you have permission to change system components. Once done, run wmic qfe list brief/format table to produce a readable list of installed updates and their hotfix ID or KB identifiers. You want to locate the exact KB number for the update you intend to remove. Make sure to note it precisely because confusion here can uninstall the wrong patch. If many entries appear, use Finster to filter by KB number for clarity. You will now run the uninstall command, wusa/uninstall/kb, followed by the KB number you noted. Execute it without modifiers first to see prompts, or include /quiet/norstart if you want no interaction and to control when the system restarts. After the command completes, give Windows a minute to apply changes, then verify removal by relisting updates with wmic qfe or checking control panel's installed updates. If it reports failure, record the error code before moving to recovery steps. You finish by rebooting the PC to ensure all components revert properly, unless you suppressed restart earlier. Make sure to save work first. If the uninstall fails, try dism to repair the component store, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, or use system, restore to return to a prior state. If problems persist, capture the WUSA or wmic error codes and inspect Event Viewer for package-specific logs. That information is essential when seeking targeted fixes or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.